Really?
Hey, Blaze, you ready to go take your bath? Hey, listen, we're gonna have to talk about your personal hygiene. It's getting pretty bad, okay?
Sit. What a good boy.